Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have another giveaway episode for you. For those of you who are new and may not be familiar with this format, every once in a while I will do a giveaway, and the prize is a free premium membership to the premier DIY website, Instructables.com. Now, Instructables is not sponsoring me, but I've been using their site for over 3 years now, and I love it. And so what I do is I post all of my recipes along with pictures for each step over on Instructables.com. So it's really cool for those of you who would rather just read the steps and look at pictures, then you could do that. Awesome. The site is free, but they do have a premium membership option, which allows you to do a few more things, which is really neat. In order to enter into the contest, all you needed to do is on my last giveaway episode is just make a comment, any kind of comment, and then you'll be entered into the next one. So for example, if you want to be entered into the next giveaway, drop a comment down below, and it could be whatever you want to do. I can't remember the other some of the other questions that I asked. Maybe this time, if you can't think of anything, tell me what your favorite movie is. I might have asked that one already, but who cares? What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Lord of the Rings. All three of them put together. All right, so let's head over to the computer and I will pick the winners. Here we go. We had 16 unique commenters. That's great. I'm going to go ahead and start the raffle. And the winner is of a 1-year premium membership. Rueda Embark. I love your videos. Thank you, Rueda. I don't know if I pronounced your name right. I apologize if I did. The next winner, this will be for a 3-month premium membership. Misty C. Hi, Matt. I'm enjoying your cooking channel. God bless. Well, thank you, Misty. All right, and our final winner of a 3-month premium membership. Pam and Gabby Carrera. This is great what you're doing. Thank you for teaching us. You are very welcome. Congratulations to the winners. To claim your prize, what you need to do is sign up on Instructables.com with a free membership, and then find me on there and email me and say, hey Matt, thanks for the giveaway or something like that, and then I will send you your code that you need to get your premium membership. Awesome. Thank you for joining me. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.